All right, everybody. I thought I would end this day by showing you my pizza dough. Okay? Okay, guys. So, yesterday I made this pizza dough at about 10 p.m. Yep, 10 p.m. because I knew I wanted me some pizza today. So, I made more than enough so I could put it away for later. Right? So, that's what I'm going to do right now. So, I'm just going to stick this in here like this for right now, because I still have to actually, put it away the right way. But for now, just gonna keep it like that. And, so we already have our cast iron skillet, because that's what we do over here. We're gonna plop that dough right in there like that. We're not gonna waste no time with this video right here. No time at all. And then we just gonna go like this. Okay? We're gonna knock some of those air bubbles out. All right? And we want to just leave just a little bit of an inch around the cast iron skillet. Okay? I will show you in a second what I mean. And then I'm going to just like pull up on it like this. I like a little higher crust, like so. Like that. Okay? Yeah, I have oil. Oh, let me tell you guys my seasonings. So, in the pan, I have some avocado oil, okay? We're going to use some pepperoni. We have some mozzarella and Monterey cheese. Off the block, shredded by me. Best way to do it, child. We have some Italian seasoning, organic. We have Mrs. Sylvia's Secret Seasoning. Love it. We have parsley. We have the Barilla, tomato, and basil. We have some tomato paste. We have some dry basil, because, paprika. And some Lawry's garlic salt. And later, we will be using this good old Parmesan Romano cheese. I love this cheese. I absolutely love it because it has no cellulose powder, which is sawdust. Look it up. It is sawdust. It is in a lot of products, especially Parmesan cheese. Check it out. It is on the back of the bottle. If you see it there, do not get it. It is sawdust, okay? All right. That's enough of that. So, I have it all mixed up in here. And look at it. Rich. Beautiful sauce. Just gonna plop it down. I like sauce. A lot of sauce. Do y'all like a lot of sauce? I do. I like to make my stuff now. They're putting a lot of stuff in our products these days. So I spend a lot of time, because I'm at home doing my gardening and being a mommy and a wifey, looking at videos and trying to just do more natural things for me and my family. When I can, that is. When I can find the time. And I want to, give my family just a little bit of, that little extra love. That, okay. You want to give your family some extra love, you make them a piece like this. Okay. So, I learned something on the video that I was watching, y'all. Okay. So, we're going to try to do the Frico thing. I don't know if I can do it. So, this mozzarella, this Monterey Jack, I already tasted it. So, they say you put it around the edges like this. So, you could get that crust. Right? It's my first time going to try it like this. I just started learning how to bake pizzas myself. And I absolutely love it. You just want to make a little hill, like a wall, they say. You know, like you're climbing up the mountain. I know I told y'all I was going to show y'all my sermon stuff, but tomorrow's going to be a very big day for me. I have a lot of exciting news to share. Yes. Concerning my skincare business. Okay? So, tomorrow. Because I had to make the pizza really bad. I really wanted it. Oops, I forgot. Corey! Yeah. Can you come here, please? There's a can of olives in there on the counter. Can you cut them open for me? Because we like olives. Yes, we do, child. Olives, olives. We like olives. Okay, let's put some mozzarella. Just a little bit, though. Because we got to do something else. Put a little parsley right here. You guys like these? I find that these are like make your ingredients a lot fresher when you have it in a grinder. Okay. Come on with the pepperoni, baby. My absolute favorite is pepperoni pizza. Yes, sir. And we just gonna do it up with the pepperoni. I have my oven preheated to 500 degrees, child. Yes, sir. You know why? That's the way you make a good pizza. Stick with me till the end, guys. You are going to love this. This is just part one of layering the pizza. The pizza. I love making things from scratch because you actually know what you're actually getting, you know? And you'll find it's a lot cheaper as well. Especially like me. Okay, so I'm supposed to be like processing my little tomatoes and stuff to make tomato paste, so I ain't gotta buy it, right? But child, them tomatoes been so good, I just been eating them up as soon as I pretty much get them. And you know, it is what it is. So now we have our olives. Thank you, Mr. Wheatley. They look good already, child. Yes. We're gonna sprinkle them like that. Let me let y'all get real close to it so you can see real good. See? Don't look good already? Okay. Uh-oh. my little ring light is... Okay, there we go. All right. And we're going to layer it with some more cheeses. Now, it's just for kick's sake. I don't know. I just want more sauce, a little bit more sauce on my stuff. Because we're not going to waste a thing. No, we're not. We're just not going to waste a thing. Let's see if I can get one in the middle. There we go. There we go. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, we're going to add some more parsley. Yes, baby. You better go, Felicia. You better do your dang on thing, girl. You better get it, boo-boos. Let's go. All right. And just a sprinkle of Italian seasoning on top. Just doing a little something different. And now for the absolute best part to me. Corey, one more thing, please. Sorry. Corey.
Yeah.
Can you get me the butter? It's in the microwave. We have 2 tablespoons of butter.